Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso y salam, welcome to the channel y'all, chesh, yakshin mash and ni ha. Today we're going to be doing a video on this. This is the extremely rare, apparently, Dyson DC03 clear. Means that the hood on it is transparent and the plastics in general are in transparent as well, which means that underneath you can see inside the motor. I'll put a picture up. So this machine was given to me, but I did say, look, give it to me, but I will keep it in case you want it back. So I'm not going to sell it or anything. So yes, that's what I decided to do, was to keep it, but it needs a new belt and it just needs a bit of a cleanup. So even the electrical cables on it as well are clear, so you can see the wires going through the cord, which is pretty good. Plug is yellow. So the exciting thing about this, oh, there's a, actually, why is the yellow clip? Ah, right, okay, so the yellow clip is not on it. Right, I'm going to leave it off for now and I'll have a look on Google. So that's how it's supposed to go in there. It's quite a large bin on it. These were really popular with older people because they're quite easy to push around. That screws in. It has two HEPA filters, so that lifts up, that comes off, and there we have the second filter. They do seem a little bit manky. So you can see one of them has the bottom. That screws it and keeps it in place. Let's take off the cord. That is so cool that you can see the wires through it. It just needs a little bit of a clean, to be honest. It's just a little bit grubby. Handle comes off. Like so. Undo it. And usually the hose doesn't connect onto the end of it, which is a bit of a shame. It's just the wrong size. Tools fit on it there. I mean, they corrected this later, but I do find that having it on the other end is a lot easier, so that you can hold onto the handle for vacuuming and things. Skinny handle. Hose is a little bit whiffy. It's not too bad. And that takes out the whole thing with the hose. It's very light. Let's take the tools off. They're also kind of like a transparent plastic. That does clip off, but I'm not going to do it. So we have got here, this is the Dyson DC03 clear, 700 watts, 600 minimum. It's got a power, you just push on the head for it to drop down. That's the cleaning compartment. Safety alert. Ratchet noise warns if the brush bar obstructed. So you've also got automatic or manual to turn the brush roll on and off. It has a clutch on it. Here we have the brush roll. Yeah, the belt on it is very, very weak, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to change the belt or if I will need to buy a whole clutch probably. And that's not going to be easy. No. And I don't have... Let's take the belt off. The brush roll off, I mean. Right, I'm going to try a new one of these. I've got a belt here somewhere. I just need to rummage for it. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of grease on this. I'm going to fudge around to get this on. I'm going to put some Singer oil on this bearing. And I'm going to put some Singer oil. There is grease in there, but it's a bit dry, so I'm going to put some Singer oil in there to help. There's only a screw up these two ends. One in there and one down here. Let's get that back on. The belt on. Yeah, because there's part of that seal which is missing. That bit there is missing of the seal, like on that. Fair enough. Right, let's get this biatch back on. Okay. See, that is very loose. What can I do for that? Okay, I have an idea. Let me go and try it. Right, I don't know if this is going to work, but it's just give it a try and I'll see if I can source a new clutch for a DC03. I'll put some of this tape around it. Might give it a bit of extra sort of like height on it for grip. Like I said, I don't know if this is going to work, but just give it a go. seems that the actual clutch is not working, because if I put too lesser pressure on it, it stops. If I put too much pressure on it, it stops. So I am gonna have to get a new DC03 clutch. Right, let's have a look on eBay.